the hell you say? Never go through in the one go, I should say. You'll splinter out the back or something like that. What the hell you say? I just had a couple of push-pull pots floating around, so I've rewired 047 and a 022 capacitor. People say go either way. You see all over the internet both ways, so best of both worlds, have both. And something for bit different, kill switch. I'll go in there. Okay, good thing with this push-pull pot, this kill switch, it's got 3 screw terminals. Okay, we've got that kill switch in there. Okay, one side will be hot in the pickup, then hot back to the your volume pot. Then there'll be earth as well, which will get your earth off your bridge and earth from the pot. Okay, the wiring mod's buttoned up now. Not a lot to do. Screw that back plate down. The back done. Do have some new tuners. Anyway, for width of the nut, 1.63 inches or 41.5 millimeters. 12 foot and 2.05 and 52.1 millimeters depth at the first fret, 21.9 millimeters, 0.86 inches, 12 fret, 0.93 inches or 23.8 millimeters. So fairly slim neck. Okay, I've removed the old tuners. They were a bit average that come with the kit. I got these nice cheap locking tuners off eBay. Just over 20 bucks. Okay, I'm stringing it up. 1046 Diodoro XLs, pretty standard. Alright. Bit of wraparound tile piece. Easy just to string them all up first, then go from there.
Okay, she's all strung up.
Anyway, without further ado, here she is.